Welcome to Bikes and Brambles, guys. It is the second day, and we are doing another video. And this is Quincy. If you didn't know, we probably didn't tell him in the video. And this is just gonna be about, like, if you didn't see our first video, this is gonna be about, like,
Introductionary.
the introductionary, and it's gonna be about exploring. And my name's Ruger, if you didn't know. So we're gonna explore down this way. We're gonna start up here where we just recorded over that way. So it's always important to have 2 feet, and then if it's very steep, have one hand down. So those are some tips for you. See how Quincy's going down a little bit safe right here. And so, what? What's over there?
Down there.
That is kind of sketchy over there, but we are gonna check down there. And if you don't know, you can't probably see it, but that's a cliff right there. That is a cliff. Yeah, no hobos, so don't worry. Oh, okay.
Well,
So,
a lot of graffiti up here.
yeah, a lot of graffiti that we're not gonna show. Yeah.
Alright, well.
So, we're gonna explore down this
I'll
way.
give you a little bit more about this. This is a railroad bridge from the mid-40s. After World War II, they built it, and it was maintained by the Milwaukee Road. They ran trains up and down this line and this trail for a good 30 years until they filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in the 80s.
And you can even see part of the old bridge that was here, but the base was kind of wooden, right? And it got a little rotten.
It was a trestle, and it got washed out
Yeah.
during the flood.
So it was not very that good.
It also rotted after a while.
You can see the tour guide right here.
So this is one of the main pillars right up here.
Yeah.
See,
It's pretty sturdy with cement, and I don't know why they painted it like that blue color, but that's not original color, right?
well, I mean, cement never.
That's like that went down
That'll
that
be
way.
after the construction
Yeah,
of the
exactly.
bridge.
Very rocky down these parts. Excuse me, guys. I have like a cold or something being over here, and we have what looks to be like just some
Dogs and bears.
dogs and bears. So this is like a bear. It might be a bear, and these are little
It'd
tiny
be one big dog. if it
Chihuahua.
wasn't-
Yeah, because I don't think I have pretty small hands though. That fits the entire circle.
Yeah, I
but-
bet that's bear. They saw some
Oh,
bears. up
right
there.
here, over here is the old trestle, and you get up close to it, and it just rotted away after like. So the
20 or
difference
30
is just
years,
like,
that's not too
yeah, and it went all the way across, so you could just like walk across.
Yeah, there's probably some wooden pilings under there somewhere.
Yeah, that we can't see, and it's probably. Let's see how
It's
cold
freezing.
check. Ooh, that's very cold, Quincy.
Yes.
Let's go check over on the other side right now.
Which side are you in?
Like the other side,
Oh, no.
over that way.
I thought you were going to take talk about the
Ooh.
other side.
Thank for our next video, or our video after that.
I don't know if we want to go there. I don't know. It's a
Yeah.
nature reserve.
We've explored it once, and it's very difficult. And plus, with the phone, I could drop it and it could break, and that would be bad.
It's scary and sketchy at the same time.
Yeah, it is
It's like
very.
a cliff
Yeah, and
and more or less.
see, that was the thing that we were walking on up there. But
Yeah,
look,
that's
there's
a long tallest rock. Really.
Yeah. Switch the hands. Oh, okay. So, over here we have like a beachy type place. Over. And it is pretty cool. There's like a little spout right here that it comes out of.
Do you think the viewers can hear us over this river?
Yes, probably.
And look! Up here.
Oh, yeah. This is kind of Oh my gosh, let's just acknowledge this big, humongous leaf right here. Okay, back to Quincy.
Watch that. Very mossy.
Oh, careful, careful. What is this? It looks like a nice, pretty resting area, but for a bear.
Yeah, bear couldn't even sleep in this.
Yeah, it's just very
Too
rocky
we're
like.
under a tree. It's all because of all the roots and
Yeah, the big tree down there, it leads to right here. This big bad boy root is connected to nothing, but oh, it's still pretty sturdy. What do we say we explore our next route that we're gonna do too?
Huh?
Our next route that we're gonna
Yeah.
be going to. Okay, well, we are going to do a little pausing action right here. So my hand's probably in the way. So we'll see you over at a lake.
Close. Close
Yeah.
nearby. It's about over there.
Over there.
Oh, you want to see something? Let's go rush that bridge.
Just this. Well, we gotta cut it off up this way. So Quincy, let's go check out that lake, okay, Quincy? Okay, we'll see you there. Right here. Safety first before we go on adventures. Click. Motorcycles are prohibited in this area. So we've made it to our next destination.
Yeah.
It's just like a half mile away, not that bad. Not that bad at all, but we're going down that way, that passage.
Here, let me squeeze back.
Oh gosh, Quincy. Okay. Okay. Well, we're almost there. We'll see you when we get there.
The beauty spot?
Yep. Pretty good lake right here, but we're still on our way to search for the lake. So, there's actually a tiny little waterfall over there, so we're still going though. Stay tuned.
Because dirty my brakes are.
Oh gosh. Okay. Very dirty. Need to wash that up at the house. Probably a washing video will be coming soon. How to wash your bike in real life.
Easy.
Well,
Maybe that's why my brakes are going out.
well, down that way. See you there. We have made it. Oh, wait a second. This isn't a lake. It used to be a lake though. But then the summer dried it out. And it still needs to be. Wow, look at that. We came here last, it was all muddy and watery. But now, oh, there's a post. It's very big hill right here. Go down it, Quincy. Just kidding, don't do it. Then we'll have to hike it up. Okay. Oh,
What are you doing?
I'm setting my bike down. Quincy's gonna bike it, I'm gonna walk it. But I call it Leech. I mean, he calls it Leech Lake. I call it Ducky Lake. But still, same lake, same purpose. Have ducks on them. And still, we're gonna show you around. Okay, Quincy! This used to all be lake. See if we can find any treasures. Quincy, I have an idea! Come here. Let's go searching for items. It's gonna be a treasure hunt. Not really though. It's gonna be like a whoever finds something the coolest wins. Okay, ready? We're gonna find something really cool. Whoever does it first finds one cooler, and you have to decide down in the comments below. Okay, ready? Set. Okay, we just started up here. I think I'm gonna go out to that area. He's going over that way. I think I'm gonna go over that way because that's where the people throw stuff in there. Could sink, but I don't know what that kid's doing over there. Quincy. But I'll spike you in anything we see. Normal. Okay, what is this? It's a piece of cardboard. Nothing yet. Quincy's still over there searching. But haven't found anything yet. I don't know if I can get this up though. But look at this. I found this little yellow thing. Ugh. Cemented into the ground by cement. And still looking. Wait a second. There we go. Here's something. I think I'm gonna keep that because he probably has not found anything yet. So I'll still be searching, but when he finds something, I'll say I got something. Okay. I think I have found something. I found my cool things. Have you found yours? What have you found? A golf ball? You found a golf ball? Oh, don't throw cinder blocks. Okay, come over here. I don't wanna carry that anymore. Quincy. Quincy. Huh?
Oh, my friends found a giant monkey wrench.
Really?
Wow.
I have a firework.
Yeah, I found tons of those. I have a golf ball.
What? You found tons of these?
Yeah, there's tons of parts of fireworks and stuff everywhere.
Never mind that. Well,
I have a golf ball and a piece of metal.
I found
So far.
a cinder block with string
Hey,
on
we
it.
should have, okay, over on that stump. That'll be.
Oh yeah.
We'll see what we can find.
Let's smash it open.
No.
What's inside? Trademarked. Okay.
Our fines will go on this.
No.
Yeah.
I can't find anything else.
Well, it's fine.
I give up. You win.
No. Come on, let's keep going.
What? We
right,
gotta
that's
end the
yours.
video.
Oh, come on.
When
See you in the.
Wait, whoa. The viewers want to see a smashed golf ball.
Oh, fine.
Isn't that what you want to see, guys? Yes? Okay.
Let's metal on top of it.
Okay. Just with it.
Let's go on the table.
Okay. Table's better. No. Yeah, table.
We've got a hole where the golf ball will-
Okay.
all wet.
Ugh. Strong. Okay, you gotta film this, Quincy. Quincy, hold it sideways. Like that. There we go. Do you see your finger in it?
Nope.
Okay. You see it? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
It might hit you. Do you see it? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, really? Come on.
This just bounces.
Do it
You gotta
again.
do it on cement.
Okay, there's some cement down here.
What? Okay.
I know
you
you
ready,
love-
Quincy?
Yeah.
You're not even recording.
I am recording.
Just don't hold it by that. Just hold it by the actual phone. Hold it by the actual phone, Quincy. There we go. You're recording. 3, 2, 1. Golf balls are tough. That's what we learned in this video.
We learned that golf balls are indestructible forces. They're like kryptonite. God.
So I'm pretty sure you won.
Sure.
So
I found the indestructible golf ball. Therefore, I win.
yeah, well. So Quincy, how are you gonna sign off this time? How? Why? What?
That was a super trick shot.
Okay, you ready?
Thanks for watching and subscribe. Like and subscribe.